skincare enthusiasts. Let's talk about two ingredients that are absolute rock stars in the skincare world, niacinamide and vitamin C. These ingredients are not just trendy, they are backed by science and deliver amazing results. Whether you're new to skincare or a seasoned pro, understanding these ingredients is a game changer. Get ready to upgrade your skincare game. These ingredients are like superheroes for your skin, each with its own special powers. We're going to break down what each one does and how to use them. By the end, you'll know exactly which one or both is right for you. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's start with niacinamide. This ingredient is a true multitasker. It's a form of vitamin B3 that does wonders for your skin. First up, it's amazing for reducing redness. If your skin tends to get irritated or inflamed, niacinamide is here to calm things down. It also works wonders on pores, making them appear smaller and less noticeable. Another fantastic benefit, niacinamide regulates oil production, which means it can help control shine and prevent breakouts. And if you struggle with acne or blemishes, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe and heal your skin. Now let's talk about vitamin C, another skincare superstar. This powerful antioxidant is like a shield against environmental damage. Vitamin C is known for its brightening properties. It helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, giving your skin a more even-toned and radiant appearance. And if you're concerned about aging, listen up. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, keeping your skin looking youthful and plump. So which ingredient comes out on top? Well, the truth is, both niacinamide and vitamin C deserve a place in your skincare routine. They each have unique benefits that can transform your skin. Niacinamide is a great all-rounder, especially if you have oily, acne-prone, or sensitive skin. It controls oil, minimizes pores, and calms inflammation. Vitamin C is your go-to for brightening, evening skin tone, and fighting signs of aging. It's perfect if you're concerned about dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or wrinkles. Section 5, the power couple, using together. Now for the exciting part, can you use niacinamide and vitamin C together? The answer is yes. In fact, they complement each other beautifully. Using both ingredients can enhance their individual benefits, giving you a powerful 1-2 punch for amazing skin. They work in synergy to address a wider range of skin concerns. Section 6, find your perfect match. Choosing between niacinamide and vitamin C depends on your skin type and concerns. If you have dry or mature skin, vitamin C's hydrating and anti-aging properties might be more beneficial. It will help brighten your complexion and plump up fine lines. For oily or acne-prone skin, niacinamide is a game changer. It regulates oil production, minimizes pores, and calms breakouts. And if you have sensitive skin, both niacinamide and vitamin C can be gentle and effective. Section 7, level up your routine. Ready to incorporate these superstars into your routine? It's easy. You can use both niacinamide and vitamin C in your morning or evening routine. For vitamin C, apply it in the morning after cleansing and toning. Follow with sunscreen for maximum protection. Niacinamide can be used either morning or night. Apply it after cleansing and toning before your moisturizer. Section 8, conclusion. So there you have it. Niacinamide and vitamin C are both incredible ingredients that can transform your skin. Remember, skincare is personal. Choose the ingredient that best suits your skin's needs and enjoy the amazing benefits. What are your experiences with niacinamide and vitamin C? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.